Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So this tutorial is the continuation of how to convert SQL queries into Python. So today's topic is how to update particular rows. Okay. So here you can see I need to update 2 and 3 employee ID where salary equals to 1,45,000. Now it should be 1,60,000. So what I wrote, update employee set salary equals to 1,60,000 where employee ID in 2 and 3. Simple command. So let's see how to convert it into Python. So here you can see this is our connection statement, and I need another library called PyODBC. Okay, so I created a data frame. In this data frame I am reading read SQL, the whole table I am reading, select star from employees. Okay, now after that closing the connection. So what I need to write, I need to write like updated employees equals to this data frame I already created. So I need this data frame dot LOC. So what LOC will do, LOC is a label based indexer. So what it will do, it lets us to modify a particular value and it gives, and how it will do, it gives us the exact position using rows and columns of their labels. Okay, so what it will do, employees, so I need to update the employee IDs, right? Which employee IDs I need employee ID, this column I need to get the employee ID dot is in. So is in like in statement in SQL. So is in 2, 3. Okay, then what I need this employees should be updated, and which column should be updated, salary, right? So I'll write like salary, okay, equals to 1,60,000. Okay, now if I print this one, here you can see this is updated, but if I run here in SQL Server, you can see both are 1,45,000 also, because it is not updated here. Why? In Python this one updated only the data frame, this data frame, employees data frame, it updated, but not in SQL Server because there is no live connection with our SQL Server. So what I need to do, I need to remove all those things. Okay, remove all those things. Now I need to introduce cursor. So what cursor will do, cursor equals to connection dot cursor. Okay, so what cursor will do, so cursor is kind of a handler which lets us to write SQL query in Python. So we'll write SQL query here. So what I'll do, here you can see cursor dot execute. So I need to execute SQL query here. So I'll write like update employees set salary equals to 1,60,000. Okay, where employee ID in 2, 3, exactly what we write in SQL. Okay, now another thing, I need to commit, cursor dot commit. So why I need commit, commit is kind of transaction. So you know already, in SQL most of the queries based on transaction. So if I do not commit here, so what it will do, it will roll back this transaction, roll back this update statement. So it will not be updated. That's why we wrote cursor.commit. Then I have to close this connection. Okay. If I run now, if I run now, so here you can see, if I run here, this is 1,60,000. It is converted, updated. So like this, we need to write Python queries to convert SQL queries into Python. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.